right. Hopefully I will be able to simplify this for you, but it's pretty easy once you get into it. So we're going to start by going to, you'll want to go to the Facebook or the Meta Ads Manager. Don't go to the business suite, but go directly to adsmanager.facebook.com. Once you are there, you'll want to click on Create Campaign, which will be, there's a couple different ways to get to it, but if you're on the home page, it'll be on the top right, but it's always going to be a green button that says Create or Create Campaign. Once you're in there, a pop-up will look like this, where you can start selecting your campaign objective. We're just going to put in some dummy stuff for now, so I can show you how to upload the audience. You can choose campaign setup. Recommended settings is what it will auto default to, which is totally fine, unless there's something special you're trying to do, then you can do manual. But we'll just click continue and keep kind of clicking through all this stuff. The first page, you'll fill out what you need to fill out, but you'll click next, and the audience settings will be on the second page towards the bottom. So we will scroll down a little bit, and here's where you'll see the audience controls. So we're going to skip over this audience controls, and we're going to go to Advantage Plus Audience. Click on the grayed out button that says Audience Suggestion. Custom audiences will pop up here, and then we'll go over to Create New with the triangle, and then click on Custom Audience here. This will populate any sort of custom audience options that are available. So if you have a Metapixel, which this is a conversation for a different day, but if you don't have one, I would suggest you install it on your website. If you have offline activity, if you have an app or something, and then anything within Meta, Facebook, Instagram, you can use that as well. But we're going to click on the top right option over here that says customer list, and then click on next. And then here is where we can start importing stuff. So to prepare your customer list, you will need to download the CSV file template that they have. And then you can also click on see formatting guidelines just to make sure that you have the correct headers in there. And then you can do this literally just based on one main identifier, and that being an email, phone number. You're not going to have these three things, but the first name, last name. And then to drill it down even further, let's say you only have their first and last name, you can drill it down even further by doing their city, their state, their country, their zip code. You probably won't have their date and year of birth or their gender, but you might have some of that information. So once you prepare the list, then you'll click next, and you'll really just go down through this, workflow, and just make sure you have everything squared away, and then you'll upload it. You'll confirm it. If there's any issues, it'll alert you of that. If not, great, you have your audience list done. And then you can keep moving forward with the campaign. So it's really super simple. If you have any questions once you kind of dig into it, just let me know and I'm happy to help. But once you are in here, it's pretty simple to do.